let's start with chapter number 4, Nourishing Food. We all need food. Why do we need food? We need food to remain strong and healthy. And food is our basic need and very important for us to stay alive. Now, let's start with the chapter. We eat food when we are hungry. देखो आप कब खाना खाते हो? कब हमें, जैसे अगर हमें भूख लगती है तभी तो हम खाना खाते हैं. तो when do we eat food? When we are hungry. Now we all need food. It helps us to live and grow. Food gives us energy to do all our activities. And we all need food because it helps us to live alive. And we also, what food gives us? Food gives us energy to work and play. Like what activities do? We do playing, studying, running. And what it protects us from illness. हमें illness से protect करते हैं. It makes us healthy and strong. Why? We eat food and food gives us nutrients and which makes our body strong and healthy. Now meals we eat. We eat 3 meals in a day. In the morning we do breakfast. In the afternoon we do lunch. And at night what we do? We do dinner. These are the 3 meals that we take in our day. And you should take the meal at a proper time. Most of us eat 3 meals a day. We have breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. We should eat our meals on time. And we should eat our meals on a proper time. Then discuss what meals Jack and his friends are taking in the picture. They are taking breakfast, lunch and dinner. Right? These are the 3 meals of the day. Then we eat snacks between meals and some snacks are healthy and while some are not. Snacks that are unhealthy. The snacks that we eat like burger, pizza, what are these? These are unhealthy and what are they called? They are called junk food. They are called junk food. And there are some junk food like cold drink, samosa, burger and chocolates. Now you have to write the names of any 2. Now first is fruits. Then milk products. In milk products we have cheese, then vegetables, carrot and tomato. Then we have pulses, दालें जो होती हैं, मूंग and अरहर. Right? What are these? These are some pulses. Now, be active every day. To remain active, we should have a diet that contains proper amount of nutrients. We have 5 nutrients. We have pulse, we have protein, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Now, orange or green. They are the green. If we talk about vegetables, green vegetables, ठीक है, fruits, and this is जैसे आपका apple हो गया. If we talk about yellow, so fats and fat oil, in which like your mustard oil, your sunflower oil. Then blue, dairy products, इसमें milk and dairy products आ जाते हैं आपके. Purple, it's protein. Protein हमें किससे मिलता है? Meat, fish, beans and nuts. इन सब में क्या मिलता है? Protein मिलता है. These are protein rich food. फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स क्या होते हैं? ये विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल रिच होते हैं, और विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स हम इन्हें क्या कहते हैं? प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. वाई? बिकॉज दे प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम डिजीज. देन द फूड वी ईट. We eat different kinds of food. The food that we eat should be fresh and well cooked. Fruits and vegetables should be washed well before eating, and some food items like fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw without being cooked. Fruits and vegetables, they are very important for us. We should wash them and it should be properly cut, cooked. Then you should eat the fruits and vegetables, and there are some vegetables that you can eat raw also without cooking, like a carrot, radish, cucumber, onion. These are some vegetables that you can eat raw. Now fruits and vegetables like orange, apple, pineapple. If we talk about vegetable, cauliflower, cabbage and cucumber, these are the different vegetables. Now let's talk, what fruits do you like to have for breakfast? You have to tell your views. What do you like? Then, what food do you have daily in your lunch? You will write the answers in your books yourself. What do you like to have vegetables? If you like, then yes. If you don't like, then no. Animals such as cows, goat, camel, buffalo, yak. What they gives us? Milk. And they are known as milk animal. Now, sources of food. Basically, we have two sources of food. First, we get from plants in the form of fruits, vegetables, cereal, pulses. And if we talk about another source, that is your animal, you get milk, milk product, meat, fish. All these things you get from the animal. So we have two sources of food. Let's start with first sources, that is food from plant. We get all our food from plants and animals. We grow some of our food. This includes vegetables, fruits, grains and pulses. Your vegetables, your fruits, your grains and pulses, from where do we get this? We get from plants. And then food from animals. We get food from animals also. What we get? I have told you, we get milk, eggs, meat from animal. Milk is used for making many things. देखो हम milk से बहुत सारी चीजें बनाते हैं. What? Paneer, cheese, curd, butter and ghee. Milk is a complete food. And what it is? It makes our bones and teeth strong. We get calcium from the milk and drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day. आपको क्या पीना है? 2 glasses of milk every day. रोज आपको क्या पीना है? 2 glasses of milk. Now read, breakfast starts my day right away. I agree to be a start right kid. As a start right kid, what I do? I start each day by eating a healthy breakfast that includes food items from at least 3 food groups. What he's saying, in the breakfast, I eat food items that belongs to 3 groups. I know that the breakfast is the most important meal of the day. जो ब्रेकफास्ट है वो आपकी क्या होती है? मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मील होती है. इट गेट्स माई ब्रेन एंड बॉडी रेडी फॉर स्कूल एंड प्ले. What it do? It makes my body ready to play and go to school in a day. Then draw the hands of these clocks to show the time. You have to draw the hands of this clock and you have to show the time. Breakfast, at what time do you do? Mostly you can draw 8. Then lunch, like this. आपको अपना अपना टाइम लिखना है. And then dinner, eight. Now name the meal that we eat in place of breakfast and lunch. ठीक है, उसे क्या कहता है? सुपर. Now salt is the only food that we get neither from plant nor from animal. कहाँ से मिलता है? वो हमें sea से मिलता है, sea water से. Now foods like and dislike. Now see the given images. Here some images are given to you and write the names of the food item that you like and the food item you don't like. You have to write your views over here. So I'm not writing it. You will write yourself. What do you like and what do you don't like? Now, good food habits. Let's study the good food habits. Always follow good food habits in your daily routine because it's very good for you and for your health. Now, wash your hands before and after every meal. Okay? You have to wash your hands before also and after also when you are taking meal. Right? Then, eat food at fixed time. You should have a proper fixed time of eating your food. Chew your food well. आपको अपने खाने को अच्छे से चबाना है. Do not overeat. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. आपको overeat नहीं करना है. And you must eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Now, do not buy food from roadside vendor. Chew food with your mouth closed. आपको अपने खाने को चबाना है with your mouth closed. Do not watch TV while eating. While you are eating, you should not watch TV. And do not eat in haste. देखो ना बहुत लोग खबर सबर में खाते हैं वो नहीं करना है. Do not eat junk food. You should not eat junk food. You should avoid them. What should you eat? Healthy food. Now, we have done with this chapter. In this chapter, I have told you about the food, why food is important for us, and what are the sources of food. I have told you we have two sources from plants and animals. I have told you about the 3 meals of the day. We have breakfast, lunch and dinner. And lastly, I have told you about some good habits that you should follow in your daily life to remain healthy and strong. Now, we will start with the exercise of the chapter. First is let's discuss. Who prepares food for you? Mother. Do you take snacks between meal? You have to tell yourself, is a pizza junk food or a healthy food? Pizza क्या है आपका junk food? What should we eat to be healthy? We should eat healthy foods. Next, take the correct option. Food protect us from energy, illness या both? Illness. What do we make from milk? We make butter, meat या fruit. We make butter. We should avoid dash food. कौन सा food नहीं खाना चाहिए हमें? Junk food. We should not watch TV in the night, in the morning या while eating. While eating. खाना खाते हुए हमें मोबाइल या टीवी हमें नहीं देखना चाहिए. Now answer the following question. Why do we need food? We need food to get energy and to remain healthy and strong. Second question is name the 3 meals that we eat every day. The 3 meals that we eat is breakfast, lunch and dinner. What are the sources of food? We have 2 sources, plants and animals. What do we get from animals? We get milk, meat, egg and fish. Name some food items which can be eaten raw. Cucumber, carrot and your radish. Onion also, you can write anyone. Now fill in the blanks. Dash gives us energy to do all our activities. What gives us energy? Food. We have dash in the afternoon. What do we take in the afternoon? Lunch. We get food from dash and dash, plants and animals. Snacks that are unhealthy, what they are called? They are called junk food. Now write any 4 good food habits. wash your hands before and after me. Right? You should wash your hands before and after me. Next is chew the foods properly. Chew the food properly. Next is avoid junk food. Right? You should not eat too much of junk food because they are not good for our health. Do not waste food. You should not waste the food. Right? These are some good habits you can write in your books. Next is cross the odd one out. Butter, cheese, mango, curd. These three, like we have butter, cheese and curd, they are made from milk. But if we talk about mango, it's sun fruit. Chocolate, milk, samosa, pizza. Milk. Then all these are like chocolate, samosa and pizza, these are junk food and milk is healthy food. Then is orange, apple, banana. Orange, apple, banana and then cabbage. Cabbage क्या है आपकी vegetables and all these three are fruits. Then meat, vegetable, fruits and pulses. All are vegetarian and meat is non-veg. Right? These are the cross. I have crossed the odd one. Next question is take the correct food which you have for breakfast and cross for that you have in your lunch. Lunch, breakfast, lunch, breakfast, we take in lunch, lunch, breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. You take bread in breakfast, noodles in breakfast and fruits and vegetable in lunch. Right? These are the food, different food items. Right? These are the different items that are given to you, what you eat in lunch or in the breakfast. And lastly, from a group you can talk. Aapki group banana and you have to talk about the healthy food and why it is important for us. We have, hope you understood all the exercise of the chapter. We have done with the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.